All right, folks, my name is Fred Wiedemeyer, and we are in beautiful Cancun, Mexico, enjoying the weather. We have just spent 3 days locked up inside our mastermind retreat, and I have with me here Mr. Norbert Orlowitz, and he is one of the co-founders of MLSP. And Norbert, you have seen a lot of people, you've met a lot of people, you've signed up a lot of people, and through your years you struggled, and you are successful today as a master marketer, and yet you'll find that 97% of the people fail in this industry. Why is that?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's a lot of reasons, and we could have a big debate about that. But you know what? Something that comes to mind there when we talk about that statistic, and you know what? 97% of people fail in most anything. You know, if you look at almost any industry or almost any sort of skill or profession, there's always going to be the 5% that rise to the top, the 5% that really excel and really produce 80 to 90% of the results. Okay, that's the 80-20 rule, which I think is really more like the 90-10 rule, and it's relevant in every single profession, industry, or whatever. Okay. The reason that I think it is here specifically in this industry is you get a lot of employees that are coming into this business. Okay, people that have been working for other people, they've been working in a job, a career, a profession, and now they're coming into this industry where now they have the responsibility of running their own business. Okay, and there are certain mindset shifts that need to take place before that individual can experience any level of success. And those mind shift switches, those changes that must happen in that person are sometimes so big that they take time, persistence, and they take you out of your comfort zone. I mean, look at what happened here this weekend. Every single person here has been pushed to their boundaries. They've been taken out of their comfort zone, and they've had breakthroughs. That's the way you grow. That's the way you achieve success. Unfortunately, 90 to 95% of people are either unwilling to do that, or they don't put themselves in a position, in a situation or circumstance like this event where they have the ability to do that.
Yep.
And I think that's a big reason for it.
Right on, Norbert. Now, I want to have a couple of takes from there. One was, he said there are many people unwilling to challenge their boundaries, and there's also people who aren't taking action. You have to take action. If you take zero action, you got 0% success. That's a given. And the only way you can shorten your learning curve, you can get a system, the system that Norbert uses here, and you click down the link below. There's the action step. That's what you need to do, and I'll see you on the inside.